Welcome to another one of my videos. This one is for Module 1, Eureka Math, Engage New York, Module 1, Lesson 16, Unit Rates, problem set. And on this one, we talked about how we can find the unit rates, and we're just going to use the unit rate in this one to solve some problems. So that's what we're going to be doing, looking at a couple problems and solving them using the unit rate. We talked about how we can divide, identifying the rate, and then dividing out to find the unit rate. Okay, so let's look at this first one here. Okay, so the Scott family is trying to save money as much as possible. One way they can do that is finding how much money they spend by finding the cheapest grocery shopping. However, the Scott family needs to help determine in the stores that the better deals. So the Grocery Mart store sells strawberries for $2.99 for 2 pounds, and Baldwin Hills Market sells strawberries for $3.99 for 3 pounds. So again, you have two amounts here, and so what we want to do is we want to calculate the unit price, which in this case our unit price will be our cost per pound. So this will be the cost per pound. Okay, and the cost per pound is, we figure that out, remember we talked about it, is the cost divided by the pounds. So in this first one, to figure it out, it would be $2.99, and we may have to round a little bit on these, divided by 2. So that's going to go in there one time. So that would be 2 minus that down, we get 0. And then bring our 9 down. So that'd be 9. That goes in there 4 times, which would be 8. Then subtract that down. 1, bring our 9 down. That's going to go in there 9 times, which is 18. Bring the 1 down. Then we're going to just put a 0 here. And if we brought that 0 down, that's going to be 10, which means it'll go in there 5 times. We can stop there, and we can round this. So that 5 is going to round this 9 up. So that's going to round that to $1.50 per, and that one is for Grocery Mart. Okay, for Grocery Mart. And then we can get the other one here. So it's going to be 3 into $3.99. And so that one goes in there one time. So 3... minus that down, 0, drop our 9 down. That's going to go in there 3. That's going to just go to 9, 0, drop our 9 down. That's going to be a 3 again. So that one is $1.33 per pound. And this one is the Baldwin Hills. Okay, so we can say right there, Baldwin Hills is the better deal. It's $1.33 per pound. Okay, so $1.33 per pound, Baldwin Hills is the best for strawberries. Okay, if Scott family wanted to save money, where should they go shopping? So they should go shopping at Baldwin Hills. So that's what we'd answer. And why, you would explain, because it's cheaper. They get $1.33 per pound versus $1.50 per pound. So you want to find the one that is the cheapest. So that's the way you would answer those, is trying to find the one that is the cheapest. And it's the cheapest per pound. And that's the unit price, is our cost per pound. Okay, let's go on to the next one here. Okay, our next one is, potatoes are on sale at the Grocery Mart and Baldwin Hills Market. At the Grocery Mart, its 5-pound bag is $2.85. and Baldwin Hills, a 7-pound bag is $4.20. Which store offers the best deal on potatoes? So this is the same thing we're looking at. So we want to find our, again, best deal on potatoes. The easiest way to do that is our cost per pound. So cost, and almost all these guys per pound, you're almost always going to divide the cost by something else. In this case, it's the cost by pound again. So we're going to take our, for the Baldwin Hills, it's $2.85, and we're going to divide that by 5 because it's 5 pounds there. Okay, so it's going to go in that. I'm going to put my, so that would go in there 5 times. So 25. Subtract that down. We're going to end up with 35, and that will go in there 7 times evenly. So this one would be 57 cents per pound. And this is at, this one's at Grocery Mart. Okay. And then our Baldwin Hills is a 7-pound bag, and it is 42. And that would just be, so 7 goes into 42, that's 6. So that would be 42. Track that down, 0. Now we want to see it goes in there 0 times, so we end up with, so this one is 60 cents per. Now you got to be really careful. A lot of students will stop here and say this one is the best deal because they'll just say it's 6 cents. But you got to remember you're looking at the tens place here. So this one, put that other 0 after it. So it's 60 cents per pound versus 57 cents per pound. So make sure you don't just think this is 6 cents because this is in the tens place. So it's 6 pennies or 6 dimes. So it's 60 cents, not because it's in the tens plot. So it's 60 cents per pound. And this one is the Baldwin Hills, isn't it? Baldwin Hills. So in this case, the Grocery Mart is the cheapest one again. So you would say, which one has the better meal? And it is the Grocery Mart, and it is because it has the best price per pound. And this is why we want to get the unit rate, because the unit rate breaks it down to how much per pound, and then we can calculate that and see which one is the best per pound, which one is the best deal. If we're trying to just look at these 5 pounds, it's kind of hard. But once we get it down to how much it costs for 1 pound, then it's easy to tell. And again, we're almost always, guys, dividing the money by the quantity, by the pounds or by the gallons or by the ounces. We're almost always doing that, okay? The money by something. That way you're going to get the price, the unit price. If you take the money and divide it by something, that will give you the unit price. And we're almost always doing that, okay? Good luck with these. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day. Bye.